Beep, beep. Beep, beep. We've got crates to open, everybody. Whoa. Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. I'm so glad you're here. Take a look. Battat has sent us some amazing toys to review.
Help! Help! Somebody help us! Help! Help! Don't worry, Peppa Pig, we got you. Help! Help! You'll be okay, Peppa. Hang in there. Hang tight. I got you, Peppa. Aww. Woo. Phew. Thanks, Ryder. Don't worry, we're coming, George. Whee! That was so much fun. Whee! 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 Yeah! You have to use the hose to put out the fire. We got you, George. Come on, out through the window. Oh, yeah. Dinosaur. Yay, George. You're safe. We must not waste any time. Yeah. Get all that fire out. Whoa.
Not only do we have some super giant toys, including a fire truck, we also have some surprises. Wow, have you ever seen construction surprises? There's a vehicle and tracks inside. That's gonna be fun. We're going to open these at the end of the clip, so be sure to stay with me to see all the toys and surprises. We're also going to open this fun truck. Look at this. You can work on the motor. It has lights and sounds too. All of them have lights and sounds. You can fix the engine when it breaks down and transport. It's got a working bed. It actually dumps. And then we're going to open this big giant bulldozer. It also has lights and sounds. And look at this. This has a lot of detail. It looks really realistic. It also has moving parts and sounds and rubber tracks. Cool. You've got shovels that pivot up and down and a rake at the back. And have you seen this giant big fire truck? This is amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness. It even has working water. You can actually fill it with water and squirt. I like it. It has so much going on. You can open the doors to show the interior. Extra ladder in the back. A tilting cab so you can fix the engine, of course. Lever pumps water from the tank through the fire hose. Cool. You've got so many components and mechanisms to this. The ladder extends from this button here and then lowers as well. Look at this, I'm extending the ladder and then retract it. Your extra ladder for the back. It's got its own special hook. And now we can fill it with water. I've been waiting for that moment. I love to squirt water. You can use it as a squirt gun. A squirt hose, right? Here it is. You have to unhook it first. It's an actual hose, yeah! Woohoo! Very cool, it's super long. So this is where you fill it with water. You've got a tank. Yeah, perfect. It's a big tank. My son had this when he was little, and he would love to come and squirt us when we weren't looking. Just like this, and then attach it. Look at this. So you need to pump it a few times, and it gets the water through the long hose, and then it squirts. Yeah. It works so well. You can definitely put out your emergency pretend fires with this. For the water to pump through and actually work, you have to have your hose actually out all the way, because if it's stuck in there, it just kind of blocks it off. It cuts off the water, and then it doesn't squirt. And this lever here, this is what makes your water get pumped out. Faster, we need more water. Yeah. Woo! Fire is out. Let's wind our hose back. Perfect. The lights and sounds are activated from these buttons here. You've got doors that open on both sides, and you can fit a figurine in here. And the top actually comes out. So you can remove this and change the battery here too. You've got mirrors on the sides, and look at the interior. It's so much room in there. The cabin actually lifts up so you can see the motor inside. And if it breaks down, this is where you fix it. We have a special friend with us today.
Hello, everybody. Hello, hello.
We've got stairs here so we can reach in the driver's seat. You can place your figurines in here so they can do the job. He's going to be our firefighter today. Yeah. We need all available fire trucks to respond to 123 Peppa Pig Lane.
On our way. Let's clean up and go home.
Here's our fun bulldozer. This one is big too. Bigger than the regular construction toys we've opened before. Stay tuned for tomorrow's videos, as we will actually take a closer look at this and make a fun story with it. Real tracks, I love it. Look at the rake in the back. It has lights and sounds as well. It's got an open cabin so you can fit a figurine. We have George this time. He wants to be a construction worker. Whee! We're also going to open our dump truck today. However, come back tomorrow. I'm going to post a video with both the dump truck and the excavator. Today we're just going to take a look at these two. But tomorrow we're going to play with them, so come back and visit us. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. Yeah. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. We've got crates to open, everybody. Whoa. And these are new. They're actually Series 1, the Pocket Series. Tough rigs, real play, driven by Battat. Thanks, Battat, for sending these. These are awesome. And the toys are awesome too. I really love them. And now let's start off with this first one. So exciting. I love the packaging too. It's a real crate, one of those containers actually. And it's got a door so you can open and reveal your surprise. Oh, wow. A tiny truck and tracks. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. Wow, how adorable. Amazing. And you can collect all of these tracks and make a big one. Here's our first one with our little truck. Beep, 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 beep. And then you can store everything back in here. Close your container door. Wow. You've got endless possibilities here. You can make a whole truck station. You get 3-way intersecting tracks, 4-way intersecting tracks, curved and straight, in all of these little containers. Now let's open up our next one. What truck are we gonna get this time? These are my favorite surprises so far, really. I mean, they're a good size, they're fun. You can collect and actually build a whole mini city with them. Or a mini working city, I should say. Wow. Another truck, this time it's a dump truck. And here, let's connect tracks here. Look, you can even connect them to your container here. Yeah. Beep, beep. Let's continue building. This is amazing. Beep, beep, beep. Heavy-duty construction trucks. Wow, a green one as well. Also a dump truck, and this one is actually carrying something. Cool. And then you can store them in here too. Let's see what's in our next one. Are you ready? It's a garbage truck too. These are mini versions of the trucks they actually sell. And here's our last one. So far we haven't gotten a double. I love it. We've gotten all new ones. Let's see which one is in here. Oh, look, a tiny version of our bulldozer that we've opened. Yeah, that's tiny. We're going to have to collect more so we can complete this.
So you can actually connect these. See? Like this. You can connect them together. So they're neighbors. You can connect all of them. They have connecting studs. Like, you see these things here? These are for the connecting studs.
This looks cool. I like the way that you connected them.
Put the trucks back in. I'm putting all the trucks in their garages.
Ooh.
Beep 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 beep. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to more fun videos posted every day. See you guys next time.
Be sure to come back tomorrow. We're going to have a fun story with the construction machines. Bye!